need to be online to update. Please confirm your network connection problem. So if you want to fix this problem, then what you need to do is first you just need to go for your Windows, go for the search and search for proxy. Once you search here, you will have proxy settings. Open up your proxy settings and here you will have setup, and under setup, make sure that it is turned off. Once you turn that off, now click on save, and once you've saved, now your problem might be fixed. And the next thing you need to do is you just need to right click on your Steam shortcut. And once you right click on it, you need to go for the properties. Under properties, you will have target, right? So under target, you need to enter a command, which is dash TCP. Once you enter that, you need to simply click on apply and then click on OK. And the third fix is again, right click on your Steam to go for the properties and go for compatibility option. Under compatibility, click on the option which is run this program in compatibility mode for, and then you can choose any one of these options under the drop down. And once you choose, click on apply and then click on OK. And the next thing is you need to go for the search and search for ncpa.cpl, and here you will have your control panel. Click on the command and you need to go for the option which is Ethernet. Right click on it and go for the properties option. Under properties, here you can select the internet protocol option. After this, click on the properties, and under properties you need to simply go for the advanced, and in the DNS tab you need to go for the DNS, and under DNS tab you need to add and then enter the desired IP address. Go for add and enter the desired IP address, and then click on add. And once you click on add, you need to click on OK, and then again OK and close. And after that, remove this, and then again go for the search and search for registry editor, and right click on it, open run as administrator, click on yes, and here you will have all of these options, right? So here you need to go for the second option, which is the H key current user, enlarge that, and then go for the software. Under software, you need to go for the option which is value. Under value, you will have the Steam option, right? So simply double click on the Steam, and here you will have a bunch of options. So you just need to go for the option which is already retired, something like this, offline mode. And you need to right click on it, and then you need to go for modify and enter the value data as 0. And once you enter it, click on OK and remove that, and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't, then the last and the only fix is you need to open up your services. So search for services and open up your services. Under services, you need to search for Steam client server. Double click on it, and now under the startup type, you need to go for the automatic, and after that you need to go for apply and click on OK, and remove that. And that's it. These are the few fixes on how you can fix Steam need to be online to update. Please confirm your network connection, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.